Now let's talk about how Deepseek is beneficial for programmers and the tech enthusiasts. Deepseek 5.3 is revolutionizing how we code. Whether you're tackling leet code problems, building projects, or debugging complex errors, AI can supercharge your development workflow. Need to solve a tricky algorithm? Just describe the problem and Deepseek v3 generates optimized code in Python, Java, C++, and more. Automate repetitive tasks. Generate boilerplate code, refactor functions, and optimize performance effortlessly. Struggling with debugging? Let AI identify errors, suggest fixes, and even explain why your code isn't working. Want cleaner, faster code? Deepseek v3 offers performance tips, helping you optimize loops, reduce memory usage, and boost execution speed. Leverage AI to write, debug, and optimize code faster than ever. Start coding smarter with Deepseek v3 today.